Okay, your stove is not igniting. The ignite generator is giving out sparks, but your stove is not burning. What's the problem? How to fix it? It is very, very easy. You see the spark igniter right there? Just below that, there is a small hole, like right there. You see there are holes all around that burner from where the gas comes out. But if the gas does not come out of that hole that is just below the spark creator, your stove will not burn. Normally, if there is some dirt or debris stuck in there, that's what will block the gas. So all I'm going to do is take a T-clip pin and insert it to that hole and just clear it out, just like that. Hardly for a few seconds, clean it out. If you want to wipe off the debris, you could do that. And now try switching on the stove. Wow, look at that. That was such an easy fix. Hope this video helped. Any questions, let me know. I'll answer as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching.